Almost every year, Sony releases an upgraded version of their noise-canceling headphones. I've been using the WH-1000X Mark II for more than a year and they are still working great. The XM3 or the X Mark III is the latest iteration of Sony's headphones, and here is my long-term review. Just like every year, Sony priced their headphones at about $350 or 350 euros. As always, you'll find all the links down below the video if you're interested. These headphones come in a quality hardshell case where the headset fits nice and snug. Inside the case you get some paperwork, a 3.5mm and USB Type-C cables, and an airplane adapter. Design-wise, the XM3s preserve the look of the previous generation models, but the biggest change is in the choice of materials. Last year, Sony used faux leather finish on the air cups and a metal band. This year we have matte plastic finish, which is nice to the touch, but it attracts fingerprints easier. Another change, the top portion of the band uses leather-like finish. Also, the band uses more cushion, making the headset more comfortable to wear, even though last year's model is pretty comfy too. We have a usual set of buttons. You can choose between noise cancelling and ambient sound modes. There's also a 3.5mm input port. I'm glad to say that we finally have the USB Type-C port for charging. For comparison, last year's model uses the micro USB port. I was really impressed by active noise cancelling on the WH-1000 XM2s, but it is even better on this headset. This year's model uses HD noise cancelling processor QN1. In other words, the XM3s have improved noise cancelling technology over the XM2s. The headset literally puts you in the sound booth by blocking outside noise if you walk down the street. You have to try it yourself to get a better idea. Noise cancelling is really good. If you want to unleash the full potential of the headset, I suggest you download the Headphones Connect app. With these headphones, the noise cancelling adapts to you and your surroundings to provide you with the best listening experience. It measures your wearing condition and atmospheric pressure thanks to the built-in pressure sensor. In other words, the noise cancelling analyzes personal characteristics like head size, glasses, and hairstyle you wear, then optimizes the sound to you. Also, noise cancelling works in sync with adaptive sound control. For example, if you're just sitting and waiting for someone, you'll hear more of ambient sound to hear important announcements while you wait, with reduced background noise. You can also adjust sound position, surround sound effects, or play with different equalizer settings. Same as on the previous model, the touch controls are intuitive and easy to use. Slide up or down to adjust the volume, slide to the sides to change tracks back and forth, touch to play or pause, or touch and hold to trigger Google Assistant on Android phones or Siri on iOS devices. Just like on the XM2s, you can place your hand over the housing of right air cup to turn the volume down for instant conversation. In fact, the headset reduces the volume automatically and uses a powerful mic to let the outside noise in. Out of the box, the XM3s have more bass than last year's model, but you can always tweak sound settings using the app. I'm not going to analyze sound quality in detail, I'm just going to say that the sound is balanced, deep, crisp, and clear. I may notice a bit more depth in comparison to the last year's model, but the difference is negligible. The amount of bass, however, has increased quite a bit. Overall, I'm really impressed with the sound quality. Well, I didn't make detailed comparisons with other headsets, but the Sony 1000 XM3s may be the best sounding headphones in this price range. The XM3s can play music up to 30 hours with the noise cancelling feature on and up to 38 hours with this feature turned off. During my test, I was able to achieve just over 28 hours of music playback with the noise cancelling feature on, which is a very close number to the official claims. 10 minutes of charging will get you about 5 hours of music playback time thanks to the quick charging technology. However, you would need to buy an AC adapter separately. The call quality could be better, but I don't use headphones for calls anyway. Overall, the Sony WH-1000X M3 headphones cost premium, but they deliver excellent sound quality with a lot of depth, clarity and bass. The device has hands down the best noise cancelling on the market, the headset is comfortable to wear, the controls are intuitive and convenient to use, and you can tweak a lot of different settings using the app. Well, I could complain about the fact that the headset does not use the latest Bluetooth 5, but I've never had issues with older Bluetooth 4.2 protocol. Besides that, I don't have any other complaints as the XM3s deliver a premium overall experience. Therefore, I think that the Sony WH-1000X Mark IIIs are easily one of the best noise-cancelling headphones on the market right now, and I can recommend you checking them out. As always, you'll find all the links down below the video if you're interested. What do you think about these Sony headphones? Drop me a comment down below. Also, like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on social media for the latest updates. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.